We're just now a week away from the start of jury selection in Donald Trump's hush money trial. Joining me now is former federal prosecutor Paul Butler and MSNBC legal correspondent Lisa Rubin. And Lisa, first to you, because we understand there was another filing today from Donald Trump, a last-minute motion just today. It sounds to me like this could be, however you want to interpret it, more delay, perhaps, but I think it's a change of venue from Manhattan. Is that correct?
There are two things, Andrea, going on here. First of all, these are not motions to Judge Juan Merchan, who is the trial court judge here. This is a request to the appeals court directly overseeing him. That's the Appellate Division of New York and what's called its first department. And there are two requests in there. One is to change the venue of the case. The other is to terminate the gag order that you know Trump is very upset with. And on both of those bases, Trump has actually sued Judge Merchan himself under a feature of New York law called Article 78. That allows a litigant to sue a state or local government for unlawful action. He's tried this before with Judge Arthur Engoron during the civil fraud trial. Now we're seeing it play out in the context of his criminal case, Andrea.
All right, y'all, we are back with another video, and here we go again. We got breaking news. Donald Trump is suing Judge Merchan. Y'all know the judge that lets his daughter talk all type of crap about Donald Trump. She even had a picture, I think, on her Twitter, what they call X right now, of a picture of Donald Trump behind bars. She's been saying a lot of crazy stuff about Donald Trump, but he's not allowed to say anything back or he'll face jail. So Donald Trump, he even went on his Truth Social. He was going off saying, hey, you gonna lock me up, because this is free speech. Now, before we get to the article of Donald Trump suing Judge Merchan, this right here just happened. Before we get to the article of him suing, let me show y'all exactly what Donald Trump said on Truth Social that led up to him suing Judge Merchan for his action in trying to put a gag order, on Donald Trump. So like I said, make sure y'all please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything, so that way you can stay up to date with everything that's going on. So like I said, please hit that like button for me. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into it. This is the first part of his message on Truth Social, Donald Trump. He said, crooked Judge Juan Merchan is not allowing me to talk. It's taking away my First Amendment rights. He's got me gagged because he doesn't want the facts behind the gag to come out. How many corrupt, biased, crooked Joe Biden Protection Agency New York judges do I have to endure before somebody steps in? I had New York federal judge Lewis Kaplan with a woman who I never knew and had nothing to do with until she sued me for defamation. She did not know what day, month, or year the supposed incident took place. She knew nothing. Kaplan, a Hillary friend, wouldn't even let my lawyer put on a proper case. Made it 2 cases instead of 1. Took away my American right to defend myself and was a crazy bully as his wife. And friends sat in the courthouse every day in their little roped off section and prodded him on and off. The mysterious lady who said our word is sexy got $91 million. And that right there was some bull crap that you can go on there. Go on a live show on TV and said that getting R-worded is sexy. That right there is just crazy. How can you award somebody $91 million that say getting R-worded is sexy? I mean, I just don't get it at all. So let's go ahead and get to the second part of what Donald Trump had to say about this. He said, now we have Merchan who is not allowing me to talk, thereby violating the law and the Constitution all at once. It is so bad what he's trying to get away with. How was he even chosen for this case? I heard he fought like hell to get it, and all of the rest of them also. If this partisan hack wants to put me in the clink for speaking the open and obvious truth, I will gladly become a modern-day Nelson Mandela. Wow. It would be my great honor. We have to save our country from these political operatives masquerade as prosecutors and judges, and I am willing to sacrifice my freedom for that worthy cause. We are a fallen nation, but on November 5th, we will become a great nation, make America great again. So obviously, you can see Donald Trump is pissed the crap out. I mean, he's pissed off, and he should be, because this judge is allowing his family to attack Donald Trump. You know what I'm saying? But Trump can't say anything back. So I mean, how is this? But you ain't gonna stop like he ain't trying to stop his daughter from going after Donald Trump. They get to say whatever they want. But this man has to be quiet and just take it. As soon as he say something back, oh, it's defamation. Or we got to lock him up because you broke the gag order, but yet your daughter can post pictures of me on her Twitter page of my face behind bars. That let me know right there that this man, this Judge Merchant, his whole family does not like Donald Trump. They do not like him. So this right here is crazy to me. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the article so you can see the article yourself. Right here it say, Trump sues judge in hush money trial in effort to delay it and seeks stay of gag order. So let's go ahead and stroll down. Former President Donald Trump is again seeking to delay the start of the trial in his New York criminal case, this time by suing the judge just 1 week before jury selection is scheduled to begin. In a pair of sealed filings Monday, Trump asked an appellate court for a change of venue in the case and for a stay of a gag order that prevents Trump from coming publicly on, among others, the judge's daughter, who works for a Democrat-aligned consulting firm, according to a source familiar with the filing. That's exactly right. So Trump, I don't even think he even want to be in New York for this because they're just being biased with the Letitia James crap that's going on, her and that corrupt judge in Goron. I mean, it just seems like don't nobody want to be in New York. Nobody wants to be in New York. You see people fleeing, they getting the crap out of there. Because even people that don't like Donald Trump is mad at New York. They like, we might not like Donald Trump, but what y'all doing to him, y'all can do it to me. Y'all can do it to everybody else. Soon as somebody start making some money or you see somebody that's rich, you want to go after them and try to find out, why do you have this? Why you got so much money? It is just crazy to me. That's why you heard Kevin O'Leary speak up, say he'll never do business in New York with this crap that's going on. Now, right here, it say, the documents are not public. Built in an online court database, they appear under the headers change of venue and stay. Documents for an appeal related to a criminal proceeding are initially sealed while they're reviewed for sensitive information. The trial has been delayed at the 11th hour once before, from March 25th to April 15th, after Trump lawyers complained that evidence related to the case was turned over late after they subpoenaed the Federal Department of Justice for documents related to the case. Trump's lawyers blame Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg for the issue, but Judge Warren Merchant concluded Bragg's office wasn't at fault. At a hearing on March 25th, he denied Trump's request to further delay the trial. See, that's the thing. They don't want to delay the trial because they trying to look for a way to get this man. At this point, I just don't get it. I just don't get it. I mean, if anybody's in Donald Trump's shoes, you would be pissed off because you sitting back like, I got to sit here and take all of this bull crap, can't say nothing back, but they get to constantly, every day, all day, slander my name. I mean, how would anybody feel if you somebody put a picture of you and put that you behind bars, putting you in an orange jumpsuit, making fun of you, talking crap, but the time you say something back, you get threat with, we finna put you in jail, we gonna fine you, we gonna do this, we gonna do that. Donald Trump is doing the right thing. He's doing the right thing by suing this judge because he know he is wrong. I don't know why they keep letting these Democrat judges get on these cases that don't like Donald Trump. The only fair judge it seems like we got is Judge Eileen Cannon in Florida. That's why Jack Smith is over there crying now, because he's trying to force Judge Eileen Cannon to do what all these other crooked judges do, is just go against Donald Trump. Don't want to hear his side. A lot of these judges, like I said, just like Egeron, found them guilty before the case even started. This is the crap that they are constantly getting away with. This crap has to stop. It just has to stop. It just don't make no sense. It don't make no sense at all. So let's go ahead and finish it down here. Say, Trump's lawyer have previously argued that he can't get a fair trial in Manhattan, citing a survey they commissioned of 2,000 New Yorkers, which they said showed Trump's favorability is far higher among residents outside of New York City. Trump has also raged against the gag order in the case, which stemmed a nearly A near daily barrage of social media posts claiming Merchant was biased due to his daughter's work. That's exactly right. He is biased. That's why his whole family in there, they watching Trump. He's letting his daughter just do whatever she wants, say whatever she wants. And Trump can't say nothing about Alvin Bragg, can't say nothing about the judge, can't say nothing about her daughter, but they all get to say something about him. So this is the crap I'm going to call out myself. I'm going to call this crap out because ain't no gag order on me. I don't vibe by gag orders. I don't have no gag order on me. And Donald Trump shouldn't have none on him. That man should be able to say whatever he want, especially if somebody's coming after him, talking crap about him, he should be able to say something back to them. Let's go ahead and finish. He said, he's twice sought Merchant's recusal from the case, an effort that was first rejected in 2023 when Merchant cited a state ethics panel review that concluded he was not ethically compromised, which he is compromised. Like, I'm telling you, that's why people fleeing from New York. They just tired of all this crap. I'm telling you. But that right there was the end of the article. I definitely wanted to show y'all this article, let y'all know the breaking news that Donald Trump is suing the judge. And we all know why he's doing it, because of the gag order, because he's allowing his daughter to slander his name and the man can't say nothing back. That's why he's doing it. So salute to Donald Trump. Hopefully this suit go through. And this right here teach all these other crooked judges to stop doing this to this man because you don't like him, because he's winning in the polls. That's the reason y'all doing this. That's the reason y'all doing it, because I said this plenty of times. If Trump wasn't winning in the polls, y'all think they'll be messing with Donald Trump? No. They wouldn't be studying this man. They wouldn't be studying him. If Biden was winning in every poll and Trump was losing real bad and he couldn't win, they would not be worried about Donald Trump. But they see them poll numbers. They see his numbers going up. They see the more they attack, the more his poll numbers rise. So that's why they're trying to get him in jail, get him prosecuted, keep trying to take all his campaign money. They are trying everything, but it's not going to work. But like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.